Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I just scraped a bloom that I wasn't a fan. So I think it was just the order of the colors. So I'm just taking my paint and I scraped it all back in the middle. And I'm going to just pour again. I think I'll use the same colors, but I just will switch it around a bit. Okay. I have a lot of pigments and metallic. I think I use a little bit of this turquoise green too. I'm going to put some of this shimmer on the bottom. DECO Gold Shimmer. It's supposed to turn gold when it dries. It's called Enchanted Shimmer by DECO. A little bit of turquoise. Grumbacher turquoise. Some indigo. This Little Piggy indigo. I'll put some gold next. This Little Piggy fairy floss. Excuse me. Some watermelon. White cell activator. And black. Oh, I always put too much. Too many air bubbles. All right, let's try this. Push the cell activator over the colors. Wow, that is pretty. And I tell you, metallics and pigment make good cells. You have to have some regular paint in there too. It's better, I think. And actually, I only had one regular color, which was the turquoise, and the 24 karat gold was metallic. Oh, I love that. I love this watermelon around the edge. Goes really nice with that turquoise. Oh, I'm glad I put the turquoise in there. So there you go. You can redo your bloom if you don't like it. It's only paint. So I just scrape it all together and use it as your base. There is pillow still in there too, so as you can see, this worked out fine. If you want to learn the bloom technique, there's a discount code in the description under my video for 15% off for the Sheleeart course. She's the one that created this technique. You hit the title of my video and you'll get the drop down. And if you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below. If you like this, hit the like button. It will be much appreciated. And I'll continue to give you free paint pouring videos. I don't think I'm gonna modify it. This will probably come off, but it looks nice. All right, let's spin this out. Oh, this is very pretty. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous cells. The gold and the turquoise. Oh. See, this is a better order. I use these same colors, except I added the turquoise, but I use these same colors in a different order and did not look as good. So it all depends on how you layer them too. Whatever colors you put on the bottom usually stays in the center. And whatever colors you put on the top seems to outline the bloom. Just need to spin it a bit more. Wow, that's very pretty. I love it. Just clearing this off so you can see the tile better. There. There you go. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the dried result. Hi everybody. Here's my tile with all my piggies. It's drying really, really good. And the middle might still be a little tacky, so I'm not going to touch it, but there's all the cells. Look at that pretty shine. That gold, the pigments in there. There you go. Thanks for watching.